Welcome back to He Can Fix Anything. Today I'm going to show you how to take care of the enter code error on your Honda or Acura stereo. If you've recently disconnected or replaced the battery in your Honda or Acura, you're probably seeing this enter code screen, and then also down on the stereo it's not working. In this case, the wrong code has been entered twice already, and you only have a limited number of chances, so you want to get it right. The simplest way to take care of this problem is to go into your glove box and pull out the packet that has your owner's manual and all that information. In there you should find an anti-theft radio code, and that 5-digit code is what you will enter in using these buttons down here. But what if you don't have this card? Well, let me show you the hack that will help you to get around the problem. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this should work on both Hondas and Acuras, and in this particular case, this is a 2012 Honda Odyssey, and it will work also on Acuras. Not all of them, but a lot of them. This hack will bypass this anti-theft device system. So with the stereo on, you want to push down on the power button and hold it. And that's quick. All done.